Hello everyone, welcome to AppStore Radar. Today I'm going to review this app called Udacity. So if you spend most of your time daydreaming, or if you have a great idea for an app but you really don't know where to start, you probably can benefit from getting to know this app. So what it offers is many courses in subjects at the bleeding edge of technology, and most of these courses are free. What is so cool about this app is you can use it at your own free time to learn the skills you're interested in. So there are 3 sections in the app. 2 of them you have to sign in, and by signing in you can access your enrollment tab and manage your settings. But the main catalog is where you can learn all about the different courses they offer. What is so cool is that the courses are categorized by their genre, so you can click on video button to preview what the course is about, and then if you like it, just start the course. It also shows you the instructor as well as little summary about it. I hope you download this app, and do let me know if it was useful to you or if it helped you in any way. So till next time, take care.